안녕하세요. 저희 소개를 간단하게 해드리자면 저희는 두 번째 순서인 정답인 밴드고요. 저희도 오늘 총 두 곡을 준비했습니다. 두 곡 다 팝송을 준비했는데요. 첫 번째 곡으로는 Always Remember Us This Way 이라는 레이디 가가의 노래인데요. 그리운 사람을 향해 부르는 그런 노래입니다. 나는 너와 이별했지만 너는 떠나갔지만 나는 너를 영원히 기억할 거야. 이런 노래입니다. 혹시 이별을 경험해보신 분들이 계시다면 이 노래에 감정을 넣어서 한번 들어봐 주시면 감사드리겠습니다. 감사합니다. 박수 주세요, 여러분. 감사합니다. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets try to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Ooh, yeah. I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Ooh, yeah. When you love me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. 감사합니다. 첫 번째 곡 Always Remember Us This Way 라는 곡이었고요. 괜찮으셨나요, 여러분? 지난 이별이 혹시 생각이 나시나요? 그러면 두 번째 곡으로는 Rolling in the Deep 이라는 좀 파워풀한 노래를 준비를 했는데요. 두 번째 곡은 이제 이것도 약간 사랑은 아니고 이제 자기가 사랑하는 사람이 있는데 너는 나를 버렸다. 그래서 나는 너를 잊을 거야. 막 이러면서 약간 소리를 지르며 이렇게 막 사자우를 내치며 이렇게 노래를 부르는 그런 같은 곡입니다. 두 번째 곡도 여러분 같이 즐겨주시면 감사드리겠습니다. 굉장히 신나는 곡이니까요. 즐겨주세요. 준비된 대로 시작하겠습니다. 시작할게요. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and send me out, and I'll lay your shirt bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. These scars of love remind me of us. They keep me moving down. We almost have it. These scars of love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside of your hands, and you played it, we could beat it. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. We could have had it. Oh, we could have had it. Oh, oh, oh. You know, you know, you know. Hey, Sonny Dilla! We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside of your hands, and you played it, we defeated. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside of your hands, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it, we defeated. 감사합니다. 지금까지 2번 정답인 밴드였습니다. 감사합니다.